Hello and welcome to this video on how to use Noticia Go for a QC of your relevance review. You can do this as a quality control or a double check on all kinds of different review. In this example, I'll just show relevant or not relevant, but you can definitely go further from there. So here we've got a set of documents which we're reviewing for relevance related to whether or not the content is about climate policy, energy policy. It's just a sample set of public documents here. And what I'm requesting is for Go AI to review based on whether the document discusses energy or climate policy in a meaningful way, um, and to respond with relevant, just relevant, if the document contains this discussion, or not relevant if not. This is just going to give me a yes, no that I can use in a bulk search to confirm or, so in this case, the first one is relevant, the second one is not relevant, just to confirm or deny my choices and give me a double check on the decisions that were made in this document set. If we want to go further from here, what we can do is add an additional line that says, if relevant, include a description as to why. So if, for example, we were wanting to put together our final package and describe why certain documents were included, we could also add this additional summary, which when we run it on this document that is relevant, it mentions a paper from the Energy Policy Working Group. So for example, we get this description. For now, I'm going to keep this out, but I will include it in the description of the video, and we'll just save the prompt as is. If we're happy with this response, we can go ahead and write this to the QC value field, which we've set up as Go response number 1. And now we have that saved for future reference. If we want to run this on a larger document set, which is normally what you would do in a QC review, is you've already reviewed documents and you want to go through the full list, that's when we can pull in the bulk scanning feature here and go select field QC value. And we'll just go ahead and run this on these 6 documents. It'll run down the list. See, it's reviewed that in just 3 seconds, and it can add this value, relevant, 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 confirming our decisions. And now if there's anywhere where it disagrees, where it says, this says it's relevant, I said it's not relevant, I can take another look at this document and say, oh, we are actually talking about energy and TIGR working groups. So you know what, this actually is a relevant document, and I'll change my decision and go from there. You can choose, of course, always, and you should choose whether or not you agree with the AI's decision. You should always do a human review of this process, but it's helpful to maybe get a second look in case you missed particular keywords or content or discussions in these documents, especially when you're looking at large data sets. So as I mentioned, I will share this sample prompt and wish you the best of luck in your QC review. Thanks.